Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to comment on a pin using the Pinterest app on your PC with the latest update. It's a simple process that lets you engage with others and share your thoughts easily. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, scroll through your feed or use the search to find the pin you want to comment on. When you see the pin you like, click on it to open it fully. With the pin open, look for the comment bar below the image or video. Click on that comment bar, which will activate a text field where you can type your comment. After writing your message, simply click the send button to post your comment. Your comment will now be visible to others who view the pin, allowing you to join the conversation or share your feedback. This straightforward new method ensures interaction is easy and seamless on the Pinterest PC app. And that's it. Just open Pinterest, find the pin, click the comment bar, write your comment, and hit send. Happy commenting, and enjoy connecting with the Pinterest community.